also find it difficult to manage your investments based on market developments? Well, making a wrong call can lead to severe losses, so you need to be extra cautious with your investment decisions. Also, if you are late in making calls, you might miss out on opportunities to record gains. So if you're looking for an investment that takes market-based decisions on your behalf, look no further. The advent of technology has definitely resulted in artificial intelligence and machine learning picking and managing investments, among other things. This has helped to eliminate emotional bias and curb impulsive decisions while picking securities. Hello and welcome, I am Simran from ClearTax and we are India's largest financial services platform. Today, I will introduce you to quant funds. These mutual funds ease your job of picking stocks and securities with the help of technology and algorithms. Yes, you heard me right. So without any further delay, let's begin. Quant funds are a class of mutual funds whose portfolios are constructed with securities picked using a mathematical model. These mutual funds use fundamental or technical indicators to select stocks. The fund manager does not usually have a significant role to play in quant funds. The quant model will continuously analyze the historical movements of securities and search for past patterns to predict future returns. The model would pick stocks based on predetermined filters, giving no room for any emotional and cognitive bias. However, the returns or gains are not guaranteed as the quant model picks stocks on the basis of past performance, which is not indicated of future returns. Let's understand the quant model with an example. Suppose a quant model of a fund is designed to pick the top 30 stocks in a given category based solely on past returns. This model would continuously assess the track record of all stocks in that particular category and automatically pick the best 30. The stocks are picked irrespective of the future prospects as the quant model is designed to ignore everything apart from past returns. Therefore, this quant model would ensure that you get exposure to a portfolio of the best 30 stocks based on the past returns in that given sector at all times. The quant models would have a predetermined price at which a given stock would be sold or bought, therefore eliminating the dependence on the fund manager to take the call by tracking market developments. Also, this ensures that the opportunities are grabbed when they come by. Well, have you understood the functioning of a quant fund? If yes, type clear in the comment section below. Well, in terms of consistency, quant funds pick securities based on a mathematical model and predetermined filters, hence helps in keeping out volatile stocks and those with poor fundamentals. Quant funds strictly follow the investment mandate as mathematical models drive them. The fund manager of an actively managed fund may alter the investment style even against the investment mandate, which never happens with quant models. Quant funds have a built-in check on stock and sector concentration compared to passive funds. This protects your investment from extreme volatility in a single sector or stock. Here's a comparison of performance of quant funds with other classes of equity funds in 2020. The category average returns of quant funds stood at 22.27% in 2020 as compared to 17.09% and 15.21% of flexi cap and large cap funds respectively. However, the category average returns of small cap and mid cap funds were 32.34% and 25.76% respectively, much higher than 22.27% of quant funds. Now, is there a drawback? Well, yes. Many quant funds do not fully disclose the ideation of their quant model, which may lead to investors being unable to gauge the fund. Despite using AI and ML, quant funds are not bear-proof, cannot accurately predict future events, and are vulnerable in volatile markets like any other equity fund. First, you need to analyze the fund's investment model. It needs to sync with your investment objectives and risk tolerance. This is because each quant fund is tailor-made to follow its own set of rules, which has a direct bearing on its performance. Second, you have to check for the investment style being followed by the fund. A fund under consideration may follow the growth, blend or value style, and you have to invest in only if you are comfortable with it. Third, as quant funds are among the newest categories of mutual funds in India, they do not have a sufficiently long track record to analyze their past performance. These funds work on assumptions and historical data and may not account for unforeseen developments, making these funds unsuitable for short-term investments. Well, quant funds can definitely be a part of your portfolio only if they sync with your risk tolerance. These funds can help you stay up to date with market movements and gain exposure to top performing stocks of a given sector or theme. I hope you now have a fair idea of what quant funds are and their operations. If you like this video, do like, comment and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Simran signing off.